Hey everybody. I thought I would just clarify a couple of things. After looking at some of your pic collages from the assignment on Tuesday, the picture activity, I just want to clarify a couple of things about the arrows and the forces. Um, Looking at some of your pictures, the arrows were not going in the right directions. So I'm just going to do a couple examples with you. I did a couple of these in class, but I think this will help you to understand this concept a little better and hopefully do better um, on the homework check tomorrow. So in this first example here, we've got a soccer ball. If that soccer ball is being kicked, okay, you have an applied force going in a certain direction. Now, as the ball is rolling, you have the force of friction that is going in the opposite direction. It is forcing it to slow down and eventually stop. But those forces are going in opposite directions. In the second example, we have a person sitting on a bed. Okay, now the force of gravity is always acting on things. I'm just going to put that in there. Now, this person sitting on the bed, there's some springs inside that bed. And so as those springs are compressed and pushed down, there is a force pushing back upwards, and that is the spring force, the springs in the mattress. Okay, but they are going up. They're not going down. Those springs are pushing a force going upwards. That's what holds you up on the bed. Okay, this next example, of course, we have the force of gravity going down. Okay, now this person is going down rather rapidly, but he is being slowed down by the force of air resistance. Okay, air resistance is the friction of the air as you are falling, and it slows you down. If that person had a parachute, they would be going much slower because there would be more air resistance. There would be more air trapped inside that parachute. This next example, okay, we have a boy sitting on a swing. Again, we're going to have the force of gravity always pulling down. Now, the reason that boy is not falling is because of the tension in that rope. So there is a force that is going upwards. That is a tension force. Okay, the tension's not going down, that force is not going down, that force is actually pushing upwards. Okay, this last example here, again, of course, we have the force of gravity pushing down, but the reason this zombie is not falling to the earth is because there is an upward force called the normal force. That bench being there is a normal force preventing him from falling to the earth, and that is called the normal force. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you need to go back and make some adjustments to your assignment, you can do that. I have not put those in the grade book yet. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.